Good day everyone, I am Jane Alexa M. Ramirez from BSIE 2202, and for today's video I will show you the process and how to do the activity 3 in CAD, and the final figure will be this one. So let's get started. First, let us create the layer properties, or let us add layer properties. First is the color green. Click this and type green. Color will be green. And the line type is, click load, hidden. Look for hidden, this one. And click hidden and then okay. Add another one. The color is, let's name it as magenta. The color will be magenta. The line type is center to. Load. Look for center to here. Okay. Click center to, then okay. Another one. Red for dimension. The color is color red, obviously. And the line type will be continuous or solid line. And the last will be yellow for line. Choose yellow as the color, and the line type is also continuous. Okay. So we are done in the layer properties. So next is redeem style. So click DIM and then choose dim style. Click modify, and then as you can see, the text is color green and the arrows are color red. So let's just make it happen. Select red, and this one also red, and the text is color green. The primary units will be 0.00. Okay, so now let's get started. First, let us draw a circle using the center diameter. Click anywhere, then type the diameter 1.13. Then another circle using the center diameter measuring 2.06. Another, and the diameter is 2.88. Now let us draw a guide. So at the ribbon panel in layers, choose guide or the yellow. Then we're going to do a line, or create a line from the center downwards. Click ortho mode. The measurement is 1.5. Escape. And then another line from here to the right, measuring 2.62. Escape. Put the layer properties into 0, then let us create another circle using the center diameter measuring 0.75, and another circle measuring 1.88. Let us create another line another guideline. So let's put this on yellow. From here downwards, measuring 0.38. And then escape. Put this back on the normal and then draw another line from here downwards, measuring 1.12. Escape. And then another command using offset to click this, and the measurement is 0.28, and on the left side another 0.28, another one 0.19, and to the left 0.19. Now let's extend this extend these two lines until it reaches the circle, and also this line. Use the trim command to remove the unnecessary part. So we will create another line, tangent line. So you click the line, or simply type L, click shift, then the right click of the mouse, then choose tangent. From this to here, from here to here. So let's do that again. Shift, right click, tangent, like that. Escape, and then use the guide and then create a line from here to here, measuring 5.26. Put this back on the normal line. From here, let's create a rectangle, a line upward, measuring 1.62. To the left, 3.62. Downwards, 1.26. And lastly, connect it. Create a guideline from here to here, and escape. From its midpoint, let's create another line from here, measuring 0.76. Enter. Another line measuring 2.26. Enter. Let's create a circle using the center diameter from its endpoint. Click this, then circle. Measuring, the diameter is 0.375. Another circle on the left side, measuring 0.375. So for the meantime, let's turn off the guide. You forgot to put another line from here to here. Then now let's turn off. Now let's do the fillet command or fillet command. Type F, enter, click radius. The measure is 0.12. I click multiple. Click the corners. Let's escape. Turn on the guidelines and then extend this line to reach the rectangle. Then draw another line from here to here. Using the fillet command, let's fillet this corner, this one. Choose radius. The fillet radius is 0.94. And click this and this one. And then remove the unnecessary part. Remove the unnecessary part. So let's draw another line like this one. Let us use the L command. Then shift, hold, right click, choose tangent to this, from this to here, from here to here. Click shift, hold, right click, tangent, and that. Trim the unnecessary parts or the unwanted parts or the parts that are not needed. Let's create another line from here, measuring 0.5. Enter. And to the right, 0.76. Enter. Downwards, measuring 1.06. Enter. And connect it to the circle. And then trim again. Extend this line measuring 0.06 and this line. Trim this part. So we're now, we can now proceed in this part. First, remove the ortho mode. Click L or type the line, the ribbon panel. Click at 3.05 tab 79. Skip. And then draw another line from here to here. measuring 2.75. And then use the offset command and then click this line measuring 0.28, enter, and another one to the left, 0.28. Escape. Another line again from here to here. Measuring 1.76. Line. .76. So let's add that line measuring 30. 0.30. 0.30. Now let's use the select command. Radius measurement is 0.12 and then click multiple. And then remove the offset line. Another same process. .76. .15, enter, and at the bottom 0.15. Another fillet, F, enter, radius 0.12, multiple, click, 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 click. Remove the offset line. And then we will change this into color green. Just simply click the green from here. Click the green again to draw a circle with the radius of the diameter, of center radius, with the radius of 2.38. I trim the parts that are not needed. Choose the guide again. draw a line downwards starting here. Click auto mode with the measurement of 0.15. Another 0.15. Click the green, then line from this endpoint until it touches this line. Escape and another line. Let's draw another guide in this part from the midpoint, measuring 0.2. And then the green from here to here, and then just extend and use the offset command, and the measurement is 0.40. Escape. For the magenta, click magenta, then click line. At the middle first muna. From here to here, measuring 7 units. Enter. And finally at the bottom, from this measuring 1, and then just extend, measuring 1 again. Click first the red dimension, then draw first a line from here measuring 3.85, and then another line from here going downward, measuring 3.68. Now let us proceed in dimensioning. Let's use first the linear. Now we're done on the first part of the figure. For the meantime, let us turn off the dimension. For us to proceed in the second figure, let us create or draw 10 guidelines, 10 horizontal guidelines. For this one, it will measure, turn on the ortho mode, 7.1. 7.1. Enter. The second is 4.92 from the midpoint, from the center of the circle. The measure is 4.92. The third one is by 5.33. Fourth is 10.92. The fifth line is 10.16. The sixth is by 11.86. Seventh line is 9.71. Eight measures 9 point by 8.72. 8.02. The ninth line measures 6.96. And lastly, the 10th line measuring 7.49. For the meantime, let us turn off the guidelines. Put this into the normal. Let us create a line from this endpoint measuring 5.1. Enter. And another line measuring 5.06. Then turn on the guidelines. Create a line from this point until it reaches this endpoint. And create another line measuring 0.56, 0.94, and 0.38. Let us draw 3 vertical lines until it reaches or touches this line. Let us create a circle using the center diameter in this intersection. It has a diameter of 0.375. 0.375. From the center of this circle, let's create a line measuring 2.26. Let us just connect the this endpoint to the first guideline that we made earlier. Create another line from this endpoint measuring 0.56, enter, and another line measuring 0.14, enter. Let's create a vertical line from each endpoints measuring 1.29. Another line measuring 1.29. Let us just connect this line that we made until it touches this line. And then extend this to here. Put the layer properties into the yellow or the guidelines to create another guideline. Let us create a guideline from here upward measuring 0.265. Turn this into normal and create a line, a horizontal line measuring to the left measuring 0.62 and connect it into this point or line, then escape. Extend this line up to here. Let us create a line from here up to here. For us to fillet this part, let us create a series of lines. then escape. Now let us proceed in the fillet command. Type F, enter. Choose radius 0.12, enter, click multiple. Also this corner. Escape and then trim the unnecessary part. Click the trim command and remove the excess part. Let us proceed by extending this line until it reaches this white line. Draw a horizontal line from here to here. Let us draw another guideline from this midpoint until here. Another one. Then click again the white. Simply turn off the ortho mode and click this endpoint and until it reaches the endpoint of the guideline here. Another line measuring 2.1237 at the angle of 308. First, type shift at type 2.1237 tab 308. Then escape. Create a horizontal line measuring 0.94. Enter. And then another line downwards measuring 0.94, enter, and a line downward measuring 1.88. Escape. Let's create another guideline from the midpoint. Measuring 1.12. Then let's get back to this color white. Let Let us create a circle with a from this endpoint measuring the diameter measuring 0.375 and another circle whose diameter is 1.128. To check the accuracy or of this activity, let us create a guideline from here to here. Then back to this, create a line from here to here. Another line from this end until it reaches this, and until it reaches again the circumference of the circle. And then connect this to here. Fillet command for this part. This one. Let's just extend this line to this line and escape. And then another line from here to here again for fillet purposes. Then another line from here to then for fillet command later, let us draw line. And then extend these two lines. Let's create a circle from this intersection measuring 0.375. Create a horizontal line above the circle. Then extend this until it reaches this part. Then create another line from here to here. Then another horizontal line from here to here, and then look for its midpoint. And then create a line. And then trim the unnecessary part. Remove this one also. Using fillet, create a semicircle. Another fillet command to these corners. Then escape. trim the unnecessary parts. We have to create another guideline in this part, measuring downward measuring 0.94, and to the left measuring 4.7 units. Put this back onto this and create a circle from this endpoint measuring 0.375 and another circle measuring 1.12. Then create a line from the top until it reaches this line. Let's create another guide. To this part. Then look for its midpoint. Until it reaches here. At this endpoint, let us create an upward line. Another guideline from this midpoint until it reaches here. Put this back onto the white and then make a line from this part of the circle measuring 0.80 and then connect it here. Now for this part, let us use this arc, the start and radius. The radius is 1.76. Another arc, start and radius from here to here, measuring 1.50. And then lastly, let us create a line from here to here. just trim this excess. Now let us proceed in the magenta lines in this part. Click line, then here, align, measuring, measuring 3.9. Now let us proceed on the green. Let's make first a guide. From its midpoint, let us create the green lines. And then extend it. Another green lines. From here to here. And another line from here to the end. Use offset command to offset this green line. Measuring measuring 1.12. Then extend this to this point. Another green dash line from here to here. Then use the offset again. Measuring 0.12325. 1325 units. Set this again, measuring 0.02, and another measuring 0.1325. Now let us proceed in dimensioning.